Hey everybody, this is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at lovin. This is ticker APP. I'll be honest, I am loving this pattern right now. This stock is in a well-defined uptrend and above all the major moving averages and is printing a bit of a short-term flag. And so this, in my opinion, is a pretty bullish pattern because it is a continuation pattern that should offer some further upside with a move through that level coming on volume. Now, one thing I also love about this chart is the volume. It's been going up on high volume and pulling back on low volume. So while it is in consolidation, the sellers are not super aggressive. I would definitely have an alert on this stock right around that $85 range and look for a strong move through that level coming on volume. So that's just one of many stocks that we're looking at tonight at StockMarketMentor.com. Dan Fitzpatrick added another stock to his active trade list. I think there's over 15 stocks on his active trade list right now that he thinks are definitely worth considering for your portfolio. So if you want to see that list, super easy. Click StockMarketMentor.com, take a trial, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.